Si sente bene? Sì. So good evening, everyone. Welcome to our stand here in Cersaie, Bologna. Welcome to our stand at Arno Ivica. So today we will show you some installation for our supports. So thank you for your attention and just see what we can do with that. So today we are going to see an installation with our new support, the Prime support. As you can see, the tabs are easily removable. This is our new support, patented. It comes in three size, Prime 1, Prime 2, and Prime 3. And just with three supports, you can have all the advantages of a wide range of products. As you can see, the angle is made with our standard clips. We will do the installation with the ceramic tiles. As you can see, everything is just mechanical, easy. As all of our supports, I remind you that we have got the SE series, the NM series, to cover all the range of size and heights. The pose is quite easy. You can use the adjustment key to just install them. Everything easy, and also our usual advantages to use the system, so better acoustic installation, water flow, so we are starting with the Prime 1 on the first row. Then we will use the heights of the Prime 2, and in the end, the Prime 3. The Prime can cover a range of heights from 3 centimeters, so 30 millimeters, to 420 millimeters. And we will cover also there is difference of slope. As you can see, our surface is not linear, but the self-leveling head can just compensate the slope up to 5%. As I see, it works like our SE support. So adjust the height. You can see our installer are proceeding with the installation. So I repeat, the first one is Prime 1, Prime 2, and Prime 3. As you can see, easily adjustable, easy to put. Patented base, easy to cut. You see, easy with this regulation key. And just go on with the supports. You see, we do not have needs to use other chemical supports, only our Prime support. Just go on with the tiles. I repeat once again, this is our new support, Prime. It covers up and height from 30 millimeters to 420 millimeters. and a slow compensation up to 5%. As you already know, Eterno Ivica can offer you a series of supports like SE and MSB Star T from a very small height. Of course, you can also find in our website all of our products and our new catalog for 2022 with all the news that we have proposed here in Cersaie, starting from this new support, the Prime support. With only 3 sizes, 1, 2, and 3, you can cover a wide range of heights. This means less support to stock, better transportation costs, and many, many advantages. As you can see, our installer are quickly finishing the installation. We are on the last row for the tiles. With the biggest one you see now here in the video is the Prime 3 with the most great heights. I remind you, you can find all of this information in our website www.eternoivica.com. Just them. I was talking to you about the whole series, the whole range of Eterno Ivica. You know, the pedestal, the installation with tiles, but also with deck, so with wood, through the aluminum joist for both of them. And now it's finished. As you see, our installer has finished. That's the layer, perfectly smooth. And you see, with different heights, we have covered all the plan. Now our installer are introducing us another new product for Eterno Ivica, presented here in Cersaie 2021, which is the new raised grid. The raised grid is something new for us. We can just install it over the Prime series, the Prime support. You can see it works like a normal ceramic tiles, but it allows us to put over the tiles in different shapes, in different pattern, in different variation that you can change, that you can choose. See? You regulate them like a normal ceramic tile. So adjust with the regulation red, regulation T, our famous one. Here. Even in this case, there are so many advantages to use this kind of product. First of all, it's easy to transport. It's not so heavy to transport. It can have, you can choose to have many, many patterns with the tiles. Now we will see that because our installer are going to show you how to have the most of the advantages. As you can see now, our installer is putting an extra, let's say, an extra support in the middle of the grid, just because it's recommended just to have a more solid surface, a solid let's say layer where we can just stand above. So just to be sure, we put 4 in the angles and 1 in the middle of it, so to have 5 of them. just adjust the heads. Even in this case, we are using the prime supports to install. Just block them like this. You can see, and for this case, you have something which brings you security because it can sustain more the tiles. The grid is 50 centimeters per 50 with a 4 centimeters of height. As you can see, it combines design, safety. It can be blocked like this. Even in this case, you can see the self-leveling head that can adjust and resolve us so many problems if we do not have the playing surface. Just regulate the 5 of them. Even these new products can be found with all the technical infos, details, measure, and so on in our website. You can visit it anytime or ask us some information at info@eternoivica.com. Here we got a wider view of the installation. As you can see, the movement, the work can be done in very reduced times. You will see the grids are matching themselves like a puzzle. It can be regulated accordingly. Now our installer is putting on the edges the compensator, a simple rubber compensator, which also gives us the necessity to avoid some scratching noise, maybe, or above the tiles. Now you will see what I was talking about you before. So 2 kinds of tiles, many different patterns, different shapes and size. Imagine what can you done with that. You can just pose or change any pattern, any model of tiles, stone, marble. Here you have. Our installer is just on them. And you can see, easily done, resistant, and all. We really thank you, our 2 installers, Sandro and Tony, which are always at our disposal. We remain at your disposal for any further information or doubts you have. We thank you for your attention, and we welcome you here in Italy if you came, or in Eternoivica. Thank you. Thank you.